I would discover that Fiona's favourite meal in all the world, and the one she would choose to eat as her final prison meal, was in fact the chicken Kiev. Okay, so now on to the most important person of the day, apart from me. It's my radiantly beautiful new wife, Fiona.
Oh wow.
My dad's with good friends.
Yeah.
Are they really good?
Yeah.
I think a wee talk in the inner corner might be. Oh yeah,
Definitely. Yeah,
So we covered our early days of getting together in the ceremony earlier, but I'd really like to focus in on that very first time that we properly met at the Sony staff party at the Swingers Golf Club. So on that fateful day, after arriving at the venue and having had a few sharpeners, I went to see which team I was on and spotted a name that I was less familiar with, Fiona McNeil. Having not met properly before, I demonstrated good sportsmanship and went over and introduced myself ahead of the game. Now in this brief interaction, I've now clocked two things. Firstly, she's friendly, tick. And secondly, what a 10 out of 10 beauty she is. How's that? Double tick. So it's now dawning on me that I'm going to really need to show off my best putting abilities to truly dazzle and captivate Fiona. Luckily I played many a game with mum and dad on the golf course, so I knew this wouldn't be a problem for me. Oh no! Now one important detail that I don't think should be missed out here is that Fiona was involved in the planning of this work party, and it was therefore Fiona that put the team groups together.
Winning life, mate. Yeah, totally. Ready for the big day. So ready for it. Yeah. Feeling nervous? No, not anymore. Not now I've played tennis. It's like, makes all the difference, mate. So I just need to keep myself busy until the ceremony days.
She denies it emphatically to this day. But as you can see how things have turned out here, what's clear to me are Fiona's entirely salacious intentions when she put herself on the same team as me. So after a round of crazy golf, the romance spark was lit, and we were by each other's sides for the rest of the night, and as it would turn out, for the next few years. And so it wouldn't just be on the golf course that I would score a hole-in-one that day.
Fiona wanted to dazzle James with the beauty of her homeland, Scotland, so they booked a summer road trip to the west coast for June 2022. After climbing the mountain for some time, they took shelter from the rain behind a giant rock, seizing the opportunity of having their own private space away from the main trail. James leapt into action. And he brought out a temporary wooden engagement ring. And so he cut straight to the point and asked the big question. Now, surprisingly, the following day, the weather magically cleared, which was in contradiction to the forecast. And they had stunning, clear skies. So they decided to make the treacherous 3-hour hike up the Old Manor Store again, where they recreated the proposal. But this time, with sensational views. Of course, Fiona had said yes, twice. And so we find ourselves here today, celebrating their marriage.
James Deadly Headley. Headley by name, deadly by nature. Deadly on the drums, deadly with the ladies.
Can't repeat it. Okay, so this takes like. Okay, so. Down. Alright.
Oh, you look stunning.
Thank you.
I know.
Can I ask if you're able to please be upstanding for the arrival of the bridal party? Both okay?
I, Fiona, accept you, James, in marriage to be my lawfully wedded husband.
Okay. I, James, accept you, Fiona, in marriage to be my lawfully wedded wife.
That's it.
Right, Rob.
Together, these binds and the knot they'll tie symbolise the strength of your love and commitment to each other.
Fiona, I join my life with yours today.
Without hesitation and with an open and trusting heart.
I promise to share my dreams and continue to have adventures with you.
Whatever we encounter, let us encounter it together.
I promise to listen to you and respect you.
And walk beside you always.
Today I marry the one I love.
You've tied the knot, and it's my pleasure to declare you married and pronounce you husband and wife.
Today, actually, is May the 13th, and I'll read this, National Stay Up All Day and All Night Day. Actually, when I read it, it sounds as if somebody from the icon being sponsored by him. I first discovered about James one Christmas about 3 years ago, when on Christmas Eve there was a knock at the door, and here was Interflora, and there was this enormous basket of flowers, the biggest basket of flowers I think I've ever seen, and it was addressed for Fiona, and I thought, my goodness, this must be serious. This must have cost more than our Christmas dinner.
But in this time, I would not only find out about your wonderful quirks, I would soon learn what a caring, intelligent, fun and adventurous woman that you are. I would realise that we shared the same values and wanted the same things from life, and so truly the stars had aligned. But I never could have possibly imagined that night when I introduced myself to you before the game, that these years later I would be standing here telling that moment as a story to you all and marrying the one that I fell deeply in love with.
Yeah, we're the team.
Fiona, I love you. You are the rock in my life, my support system and my best friend, and I promise to be there for you whatever the future holds. I'm so excited to embark on this next chapter of our lives together, as I know in my heart we have a lifetime of happiness and adventure ahead of us.
And as James Deadly Headley joins Fiona today as James Wedley Headley, can I ask you all to stand and raise a toast to this beautiful couple? May they enjoy all the happiness in the world.